Hey everybody, here at Campers in RV. When you come to pick up your camper, we're gonna make sure that camper is clean. We're gonna have prepped it. We're also gonna have a demo technician kind of walk you through all the details to make sure you understand your camper. The other thing is you're gonna need to know is that you're gonna need a few hoses and chemicals and widgets to go along with your RV. We have a special deal with a company called Valterra. They're part of the Dometic company, and they've given us the opportunity to give you fantastic pricing on the silver, the gold, and the platinum kits over here. These are some things you're gonna need. So if you have a smaller camper, like a travel trailer or something like that, the silver package will be more than enough. It has a couple of chocks, it has the water pressure regulator, it has the fresh water hose, has a black tank hose, and also has that nice clear L-shaped hose, so while you're dumping your tank, you can see when all the fluids go clear. Of course, you're gonna have the right kind of toilet paper as well. That's only going for $170.99. It's a great deal. And now if we look at the gold package, they're gonna add some extra hoses, some extra chemicals. They're gonna have these blocks that you can put under your jacks to you can actually drive up on them and level your coach if you like. They give you extra hoses, and then these caps to go on the either side of your black tank hose. Those are really important, as well as the adapters, the water pressure regulator, and that whole package is going for $296.99. Great deal. And now if you want to get the big package, that's the platinum package over here, and you have a big rig and it might have 2 exits for your gray water, let's say. So that way you have all the hoses that you need, fresh and black tank hoses. You have the extra blocks, the extra toilet paper, the extra chemicals, as well as the black tank hose bridge that helps angle that hose all the way down and keep that gravity feed working in your direction, make that flow even better. You can get all of that for $429.99. It's a fantastic deal. Get down to Campers in RV. We have the best products, accessories, service, and sales in the country with 41 stores to serve your needs.